member of the Fort Bend Astronomy Club for almost 3 years, and before that I lived in Oregon, and I was an astronomer there with the Rose City Astronomers Club for a long period of time, and I volunteered at the local observatory there at Clackamas Community College. And I've just been interested in astronomy since I was 6 years old. I got my bachelor's and master's of science degree in physics from Portland State University, and took a lot of courses in physics and mathematics and astronomy and the sciences. And I primarily got interested in astronomy because I've just been fascinated with the deep sky.
What's your favorite object in the sky, Justin?
Let's see. In terms of deep space objects, I like looking at those planetary nebulas. I think the best one I've ever looked at, in my opinion, has been the Spirograph Nebula, which is very hard to see, but if you can get enough power onto it, it produces a nice little sort of a brownish ring around it. And some people think that when you look at nebulas in the sky, particularly planetary nebulas, I mean, mostly you'll just see them as sort of a grayish color, but if you're in the right sky conditions and if the nebula is bright enough, you will see some color in a telescope. It's just a matter of what type of deep space object you're looking at and what type of planetary nebula you're looking at. And
so could you see that object with this telescope that you're...
In low power, you really, it's known as IC418. It's between the Rabbit, Lupus, and Orion the Hunter. And in the scope here at low power, you'll notice this sort of a brownish ring around a bright central light. When you bring the power up, the brownish light will sort of fade a bit, and you'll see more of a, what looks to me like a bluish-gray glow around it.
What is this telescope that you're using here today, you're going to use tonight?
This is an 18-inch f4.5, that's a focal ratio, Newtonian reflector, which is run by the Fort Bend Astronomy Club. They've done some 420 asteroid discoveries with this. We've got a group called the A Team, the asteroid hunting team, and this is the telescope we use in the East Dome to observe for the deep space objects. We've got a tracking system that we can go towards an object, and then we can track the object through the night sky.
So when you say 18 inches, what do you mean by that?
The diameter of the mirror.
The diameter of the mirror, which is located...
well, the primary mirror.
Right here,
right
where we're pointing the camera.
Yes. So it's a parabolic shaped mirror. And so the focal length is about 2,000 millimeters. So the light travels down the tube, and the focal length is where we reflect the light off the main mirror up to the secondary, and we get a nice sharp image through the eyepiece over here.